What is up, guys? Major Magpie here, and welcome back to Cities XXL. And look at this monstrosity. This is our industry area, and I've been checking out a few of the factories, and we've got a lot of low density. But one of our major concerns within the city is we need manufacturing. And the only manufacturing we have in the city is actually medium density. So I was figuring we could give it an overhaul. I don't think I want to achieve this all in one episode because I'm going to have to do it in intervals. Simply because we have a 51,000 credit deficit a month, and it's eating away at our cash. And obviously removing factories to place in higher density in the short term isn't really going to help that deficit out. So I have to do a bit at a time and see how it goes. Hopefully it'll not go too badly. The camera's just going absolutely ballistic. Hey, look at that. So, factories, that's all right. Figured we would start right down in this corner. And you can see, I mean, these were some of the very first factories we put in right at the beginning of the series, and these are all low density. And they're tiny, you know, like I need taxes. And we need manufacturing, so I mean that's only providing 79 credit tax, which is quite pathetic. Okay, so I was thinking we could get rid of these 5 roads here, probably down to about there. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, possibly 16. That's quite a few factories going to go, but hopefully the replacements, they'll pay more taxes and hopefully they'll erect pretty quick. But there's only one way to find out, and that is to go ahead and do it. We need to play, we're just going to play slowly. Again, have to keep an eye on that cash. Let's go for it then. The idea is just to basically try and use as much of the map as possible, get these as close to the edge of the map as possible, because they do have a negative effect on our city. Create like heavy pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, so not many people want to live next to them, quite understandably. But where were we? Industry. And we're going to start with manufacturing because that is what I need more. And high density manufacturing. And just single zoning. And just start placing these guys in. Just literally do an entire row all the way down to where we've taken them out. And then I can put the roads in between and then do behind them. Go to there. Put the roads in now, which is going to be a large, luxurious avenue. Expensive, but hopefully it'll be worth it in the long run. We'll just pull that through about there for now. What I am going to do is just place another factory in there to make sure that this road I'm putting in is straight. I fell out of that trap before, so there we go. Taking them away has actually benefited our deficit for whatever reason, or it might just be momentarily. Builder needs elites. Why am I not surprised? Transportation. Onto there. There we go. Put that in there, and then we can just put all the buildings in between as well. What was I doing? Industry, manufacturing, high density, single zoning, and just start putting all of these in. And there we go. Do this side as well. Aha. So it doesn't want to go there, that's fine. Make sure I put all of these in correctly actually. That's fine. I can't see any gaps in between them, so I mean I really don't know why that doesn't want to go in there. Oh wait, we'll just leave it empty anyways. That's that done. Can we get one in there as well? Not without removing the corner of that road. Not to worry, not to worry. Okay, now these guys are heavy industry. No elites. Nearby freight. What's that? That is a waste burying site, which is going to have to get moved at some point. Right, okay then, I'm going to start deleting a few of these heavy industry buildings. Probably take away 1, 2, take away 3 of them, but I'm going to manually delete them so I don't delete the entire road. And we'll take away 8 from each road then. And I can put a little bit of road in to delete the road, if that makes sense. Get rid of these end roads as well. Right, okay, so we've got that then. What we can do is just get a nice cheap dirt road. Just run it straight through, all the way through to there. And then it means that I can now delete them bits of road without deleting the whole avenue. And get rid of that as well, I suppose. Probably delete that road. It doesn't look like that is attached to it. It's not cool. Back in the industry, that was manufacturing. High density manufacturing, single zone, put one there. Gives us a gauge on our road. Okay, that's not going to let us do that. Never mind, we'll just have to put the road in and hope it works out the way we want it to. So we've got a large, luxurious avenue. Just put it all the way through again. Obviously going to have to stop it there because of our, whatever that is, what's it called? Yep, waste bearing site again. We'll relocate that soon. So a ton more manufacturing down there. That's manufacturing, high density, single zoning. Right on that. Yep. It's nope. Bugger. Sorry, gotta go. Okay, so that's not going to work. What I am going to do instead then, I am actually going to place a high density manufacturing plot on the end there. I'll try anyways. I'll just put it there. Take 2. Just have to go to that. Don't want that on enough to make sure it's high density. Single zoning. There we go. Okay, so what's the matter with these guys then? They need elites. Everybody needs, wants, and requires elites. Heavy industry. Might as well put some in while we're here, and then we can go and have a look and see where we are in terms of elites. Well, these guys want to move in, or are they on strike, or what? There we go. Some more heavy industry. Right, so here's need elites. Let's go and have a look and see if we can find ourselves some elites, or at least plots for them. There's plenty, they just don't want to come. Well, they do seem to like living here though. Oh. Frame's coming back, or yeah. So you do seem to like living here. So what I will do is I'll put some more along the back of it. So it's a large, luxurious avenue. What about there? I'm going to put an elite, high density, single zone just on the corner there, because there's a gauge for our road to run along. Hopefully this road will go in no problem. It is a little bit of a hill, that's my only concern. Fingers crossed. That does, it goes in to there, cool. And we'll just put in a ton of elites in there. Elites, high density, single zoning. And let us do it. Oh yeah. Doesn't want to let us put it there. Oh, get one in there though. And that should flatten out now. We could put in plenty of these. There we go. So we are now struggling for skilled workers. Jump into the trade menu and take a look. Because I do know we are actually sending some to Omnicorp. So if we can get some of these guys back. Skilled. Oh. We need 1,680 more cash tokens to complete this exchange. Okay. Sorry. These guys all need elite status, yes. Okay, so everybody wants elites. Our plots in the city centre are they done? These guys are executives. The elites don't seem to want to move in. Cost of living, shop satisfaction, and leisure. Fire services is a biggie as well. We can go ahead and put in a fire station. Fire rescue. Large fire station. It is it's going to cost us 5,000 a month to put this in. Is it worth it? I will put that there. Why not? So we have a fire station in there now. Yeah, we're doing okay. We're doing alright. These guys are... What are these guys? These are offices. The quality of life is bad here. Business hotels. I don't want these guys to stay here. They can probably go. I mean, they're only... I think they're low density. They're useless anyways. Got manufacturing over there, which is low density again. Okay guys, so I think we'll probably just go ahead and end this episode here. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and end this episode here. I'm going to mess around in the trade menu. Just do it off camera though and try and fix some of that because it's a bit finicky sometimes. But yeah, I'm glad to make a start on our factory area. It's probably something we're going to have to keep coming back to until we can generate some money because it's we just can't afford to demolish the whole lot and start again all in one burst. So I'm afraid it's got to be this way. Anyways guys, thanks a lot for watching and we'll see you in the next one.